Hello, friends. I know it is late, and normally I do these during the day when I have like better lighting, but I am wearing my favorite Barbie sweater today, which just so happens to go super well with these little glasses from Vogue Me. So I felt like I had to just like make this video tonight because I looked good. So another package from Amazon. As some of you may know, I have an art show this weekend. So what did I do? I went ahead, this is hard, and open, it's late. I went ahead and ordered some lights for my gazebo. I'm told it's not really called a gazebo, but I keep calling it one because pop-up just does not sound nearly as fabulous as gazebo. I know, the setup right now is kind of lame. I apologize. I'm usually much better, but my sewing studio is not set up yet. Sewing studio is not set up yet, so I don't really have a place where I can make videos at. So I'm trying to make this work, okay? I've only been here a week. It feels much longer, but it has only been a week. So, working on this. Ta-da! Now these are supposed to be battery operated. I have an instruction. Sorry, my camera keeps like drooping, so I'm holding it with my hand, and which means I can only do everything one-handed, and struggle is real, folks. Struggle. We're struggling out here. I apologize. I'm working on doing this better. Product specification. Let's see. So it hooks up to this transformer thingy. Battery powered, not included. Well, that's a bummer. Okay. Power plug-in with power transformer in remote control. It is solar powered, and the packaging is awesome. It doesn't say all that. I'm paraphrasing. Transceiver. Boom, natural light. I don't know if these are going to work. I will have to lay this out in the sun tomorrow and find out. Or battery powered. Whoa. And dimmer. Boom. And remote. Awesome. Ah! And little spiky thing for the transceiver if you are mounting them perfectly in your lawn. But I'm putting them in my pop-up gazebo. So this I actually don't need at the moment. You never know. Maybe in the future. Battery operated. Awesome. Well, it says does not come. Maybe it just meant does not come with batteries. Which is okay. Because I don't think you're supposed to send batteries in the mail anyways, right? Oh, I did open it with one hand. Wow, that requires a lot of big batteries. I think I have some somewhere, so I could totally try that out. Size C or Equiv. Oh, and then two. No. Size C or Equiv. That's what it said. Cool. Lights. There's supposed to be a lot of lights here. I don't know. There aren't really that many lights, though. Like, there's a lot of length, but not a lot of light. I hope these are bright enough. We shall see. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I will be seeing you soon. I have started to set up my many, many, many machines. They are not all up yet, but I'm working on it. So videos coming soon. I know I keep saying that, but hey, life's hard, people. It is. It's hard. So anyways, I will be seeing you soon. Catch you later. I'll see you this weekend at the Art Crawl if you live in the Yuba, Sutter, or Sacramento, or Chico, or any area close to that and you want to come to Yuba City. Boom.